The sides of an acute triangle measure 17 centimeters, 16 centimeters, and 15 centimeters, respectively. The measure of the smallest angle of the triangle is a solution for A to which of the following equations? So, the only thing they're actually testing on this question is that you have your law of cosine formula memorized and that you know how to use it. You don't actually need to solve this question. So, this is the case on the majority of law of cosine questions as well. So, I highly recommend, even if you have no experience with law of cosines or trigonometry in general, it doesn't matter. You don't need to be able to get these questions correct on the ACT, but you do need to have this formula memorized and know how to use it. So, step one is going to be memorizing it. So, I encourage you at this time to pause the video, add this formula to your cheat sheet, master it, and go back 5 to help you get enough repetition to start to turn it into muscle memory. Next, after you know the formula, we're solving for angle C. And angle C can be any angle you want to solve for. So they have told us that the measure of the smallest angle of the triangle is the solution for A. All right. They're kind of making it complicated, but whatever angle you're solving for is going to be C in the formula. So where it says cosine C, that letter C there is going to be the angle that we are solving for. And so we want to we're solving for the smallest angle essentially. And therefore, we want to put the side length of the smallest, opposite the smallest angle, which is side C. It's that 15 in the place of side C on the equation. And since they don't have the radical around this, we know they just squared both sides. And so that's where they're getting that. So it's just 15 square is equal to A square, which we can either have 16 or 17. It doesn't matter. They have 16 first and 17 second. Those are just the ones that we're not solving for. 2AB. AB is just going to be 16 and 17. It's just the two sides that we're not solving for. And then cosine C. In this case, they just put an A there, but it's still just this angle that you're solving for, which gives us answer K.